Hello everybody. I feel so fancy. I feel so fancy. Like, who am I? Oh, hi. Just me feeling so fancy. Okay? Thanks. Today's video is on the iSmile California, and it is a deluxe teeth whitening LED light kit. Full disclosure out there, because I am not a crook, this was sent to me, and that in no way, shape, or form changes my opinion on the product. I would tell you guys 100% the truth, because that's just the kind of person I am, and I don't like being lied to, so I wouldn't want to lie to you guys, and I don't think you guys like being lied to either. So anyway, let's get into this. As for this intro, I have not tried this yet, so I'm very excited to try this. Let's get into it, shall we? Okay, so when you open it up, you got this little doodad going on over here. I don't need to be in this. I definitely don't need to be in this. So you have the little pens, and you have a little mouth thing. It has the little USBs. Everything is little. I don't know why I'm saying little. Everything is not little. It is really cool because they give you a ton of options and different like adapters. So depending on if you have an iPhone or like I have the Google phone, you could always use the little plug. I'm not really sure what that's called, but the thing that the USB goes into, it's like, you know, I'm too old for this technology stuff. But anyway, so you can plug it into a wall using your phone charger, or you can plug it into a laptop, which is what I opted to do. These are about the size of a makeup brush, maybe a little bit smaller than that. And it also comes with a little instruction manual and a 3D teeth whitening guide, so you can see when you start it. What you want to do is brush on each tooth with this little brush thing. The first time you use it, it's going to take a ton of clicks that you might actually think you're turning it the wrong way, but as long as you hear it clicking, you're turning it the right way. These remind me of like those old school lipsticks that were from like Mandy's. I don't know if you guys remember those, like lip glosses. They might still like package stuff like that, and you just twist it up and then it comes out of the top and it has like a little brush applicator, which is cool. Okay, so my first word of advice is to read the instructions. They are clearly there and you should read them, because what I am doing in this video is incorrect. So you're going to smile wide, you're going to brush it on your teeth, and then you're going to insert the tray into your mouth and adjust your lips so that your lips are resting comfortably on the tray. Then you're going to connect it to a USB, which could be a computer or a tablet or a smartphone, or you can even turn it into an outlet. It's going to be there for 15 minutes. You're going to leave it plugged in for 15 minutes. The light automatically goes off when your 15 minutes is up, which is pretty cool, but you do have to have either something that you could carry around with you, something that's portable, or you have to stay stationary for 15 minutes because it does have to be plugged in. Then you take out the tray and you rinse your mouth, and you rinse the tray with cold water. Make sure you use cold water because you don't want to damage the tray. And then as I had said, they have the blue gel, which would work, stop the sensitivity of your teeth. And they also give you 3 of the whiteners, which is pretty cool. A common question is, how long does it take to get results? And they say that they recommend doing it once a day for 2 to 3 weeks. And most people will notice a difference in 4 to 5 days. I actually think my teeth look whiter after the first time. You can't drink coffee, wine, soda, tea, or smoke for 1 hour after the whitening procedure. It's best to avoid them completely. And just a side note, it probably is best to do this right after you get your teeth whitened from like your dental hygienist or your dentist, whoever you go to. What I did was I flossed my teeth and I brushed my teeth before I started the process. And then why is there bubbling? Why is there bubbling as I wear the gel in the tray? And that's because it says it's part of the whitening procedure. As the surface stains are oxidizing, don't worry. And then it says, why are there blue and red lights in the mouth tray? And it says that this is patented technology by iSmile California, which is the brand. Blue lights is specifically designed to activate the whitening gel, while the wavelength from the red light is designed to decrease sensitivity to protect your teeth. I just finished editing this video and I was like, you know what? I am getting a little bit of sensitivity on my teeth on the bottom. And those are the ones that actually had bubbled up. I know I have the start of gingivitis, which is awful. I'm 33. It's awful. I don't floss often enough, really ever. So I'm going to actually slap on some of that blue stuff. I'm not going to go through like the whole hoopla of putting the mouth thing in. I don't think I need it. You don't need to plug it in if you're going to put the blue gel on to reduce sensitivity. You don't need to plug in the mouthpiece. So I feel like there's really no reason. Well, maybe I will, because I don't think I want to walk around like this. I don't know. But as we remember, it's going to take a while. I do realize in this video I didn't have any like before and after clips, and then I feel like the video might be a little confusing because I like do the whole process again. I didn't do the process again. I've only done it once. I just wanted to show you guys, this is the blue one. I just wanted to show you guys like the actual process while I'm doing it, what is correct. Literally editing this video made me like sick to my stomach because I was like, this is confusing me and I know what happened. So basically you're just going to want to wipe this stuff on your teeth and let it sit, plug it into, you know, your phone or anything that you want to plug it into, and you're going to let it sit. Oh, there it is. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. So these are not for sharing. Don't share this. That's disgusting. That's gross. Don't share them. But you do get 3 of these. I just wanted this thing to you, honey. You get 3 of these. So you could maybe share this. So you only get 1 of these. I'm going to put this in so that I don't eat this. Okay, so I just finished this. They made me feel a little bit better. I left it on for about 5 minutes just because I'm impatient and I can't wait like 10 minutes. But I do want to read this. So it says, if sensitivity still occurs after you do this blue process, then the next time you do this whole process of the teeth whitening, instead of leaving it on for 15 minutes, only leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes. And then it says, interrupt the application 2 to 3 days, then continue the daily application. So you don't want to do it every single day if you're having like a lot of sensitivity. And then it says, use desensitizing toothpaste during the whitening procedure. I am not going to do this every day. So yeah. But if you decide to do it every day for best results, if you have those sensitivity problems, it does come with like instructions on what to do. So as I was saying before, with everything in my mouth, you don't want to share this because it's kind of gross. You're brushing it on your teeth, and this is also going in your mouth and stuff like that. You're only rinsing it with cold water, so like your germs are kind of still on it. And yeah, I guess that's it. So that's the video, guys. I hope you like it. Love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. If you have any questions, let me know. This will be in my Amazon affiliate link, and it is under $40. Okay, love you guys. Bye. One more thing. They have this kind at tanning salons. So instead of going to like a tanning salon and paying for like the procedure to be done, you can literally just buy this kit and do it yourself. Or if you know somebody who goes to tanning salons and has it done, you could buy them this kit for Christmas. I think it'd be a great gift. So I think it's super thoughtful if you know somebody who like likes to whiten their teeth. Yeah, or if you know somebody who has a lot of sensitivity and wants to whiten their teeth, this is a great option. It's not nearly as much sensitivity as I've had with other brands. So, okay. I love you guys. And I definitely notice a difference. As I said before, I don't have before and after. This is first thing in the morning. Like normally your teeth look grosser in the morning. My teeth are like pop-a-lopping. So, all right. Bye for real, guys.